Fwa. Hi, it's San. Today I'll teach you how to do the monastery, and you might have seen it in some of these dances. So let's get started. Okay, so for the monastery, we're going to start with our feet shoulder width distance apart. The footwork goes like this. Left, close in with your right foot. Right, close in with your left foot. Okay, so it goes left, right, right, left. Close in on the toes and really dig into the ground. Have some force when you step with your inner toe, okay? The accent is on the toe foot, okay? So the reason for this being that when you move very fast later on, like this, you're really going to have the digging motion to help you keep up with the speed. So you want to practice that digging from the start. The accent on the toe that comes in, okay? Second thing to note is to bring your foot forward. So instead of just closing it, you want to close it to the front. Think of an equilateral triangle or just a spot right in front of you, like maybe one hand's worth in front of you. Instead of closing it in, you want to close to the front, okay? To the front. So it'll go left, right foot in front, right, left foot in front. Now the last thing you want to do is that the foot moving to the front will have to be angled slightly inwards, okay? So right now my left foot is pointing a little bit to the right side. And here, my right knee points a bit to the left side, okay? So you want to step in like this, step in at the diagonal, okay? So let's try all three things with music. 5, 6, left, right, right, left. Go left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Dig in and go diagonally. Really dig into that foot. Booms. Okay? Next we'll have the arms. So the arms have two variations. One is palms facing outwards. So it goes left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. The second version has the palms facing inwards and elbows are quite out. So it goes left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Basically you're drawing the same circle. It just depends how high the circle is and which way your hands are facing. This way looks very cool, like very strong. And this way can be cool, can be cute. So today we're going to do this version with the palms facing out. Okay, so let's practice that with the feet. We're going to step on the left foot and the hands go towards the left. Okay, so left, then right, right and left. Left and right, right and left. Okay, so on top of the hands, we also want to add in the hips. So for the hips, what we're gonna do is, you notice that when your knee angles inwards, this hip, your right hip for example, is a bit higher. You want to really lean into that when you step. Open up, your hips go back and then curves over onto your left foot. Left, right, right, left. You can see how my hips go back and it curves over, back and curves over. Okay, so we add that with the hands and especially the pressing down into the floor, then it looks a lot more dynamic. Yeah? So let's try that with music. 5, 6, 7, 8, go left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Yeah? You feel it? You feel the booms on the second beat. Okay? Yeah. And then the last thing that we want to do, this one's optional, is the chest. So for a lot of people who do monastery, especially for hip hop style, you want to crunch the chest when you go down like this. Yeah? You'll realize that, for example, when we are crunching on our right toe, we are crunching towards the left. So the left side of your body will be squeezing and the right side stretching, like this. Okay, you really have that crunch posture. Okay, and then you open up, chest goes out like a rainbow, and then crunch again. Okay, open, crunch, open, crunch. Okay, and then because it's so aggressive, especially with the stepping, a lot of you will realize that it helps to really out your breath when you crunch, crunch, like that. Yeah, that's what I like to do. It seems more aggressive and like stronger that way. So you can try that, optional. Yeah, another more cute style or more upbeat style, some people just keep it to the shoulders so their body stays upright as they do it. You just keep the shoulders up compared to the crunch. Yeah, you can see the crunch, my back curves, but when you do it upright, your shoulders stay up. Depends on what kind of dance you're doing. Yep, so let's try it with the crunch version, palms facing outwards. And remember to angle it and really dig in as you move forward, and include the hips as well. Okay, all these things to remember. Let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go stretch, crunch, crunch chest out, in, dig into the ground. And remember the hips. So there's a full body monastery. Crunch, crunch. Okay, now let's try it double time. So double time goes left, right, left, right, left. And you gotta remember to have all the things together, and also must remember to really dig in so you can keep up with the speed, yeah? So don't drop any one of these parts just because you're doing it fast. We'll try it for a short while. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, double time. Left, right, left, right, left. At the chest, at the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that's the monastery. Okay, I hope that helped you out, and feel free to add or subtract from any of the variants to create the style or choreography that you want to execute. And if you enjoyed these videos, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, or if you'd like to support me on Patreon. Yeah, until next time.